She can't go with the others into town. Too many people want to bring the girl down, even though she knows in her heart it's nothing. She wants to go to the places her friends go. She wants to know all the things that her friends know. But she won't learn about love, she'll learn about honor. But in her dream she's always flying. In her dream she's never crying. In her dream she's free as a bird. Where's the love and the faith that binds you? Where's the trust in a culture that blinds you to the things that others take for granted? Now in her mind is peace, open laughter, but in her heart it's love that she's after. But what's arranged don't work out that way. But in her dream she's always flying. In her dream she's never crying. In her dream she's free as a bird. In her dream she can be who she wants to be. In her dream she can see who she wants to see. There's no one to say you can't do that, 'cause you're my one.